What if your teams could talk to enterprise data like they talk to a colleague, without depending on an LLM for every single question? Meet Factory Brain, an AI-powered conversational analytics platform built to turn business questions into governed, actionable insights. Ask questions in natural language. Continue with follow-ups. Factory Brain keeps the business context and takes you deeper without forcing users to start over. When Factory Brain has already learned and validated a trusted answer, it can reuse that intelligence instead of repeatedly sending the same problem back to an LLM. Move from simple answers to trends, historical comparisons, deeper analysis, and the next questions your business should be asking, and turn answers into analysis that decision makers can use. When an answer matters repeatedly, pin it directly to a personal dashboard. Build multiple dashboards around the decisions you monitor most. And throughout the experience, enterprise roles, access controls, and row-level security remain part of the governed data journey. Private preview is now open. Apply for early access.